What the fuck is that? Screws just come out somewhere.
Come on, thank you. Right, the fuel is halfway full, ready to rock and roll. No. I'm nearly hit you, yeah.
Yeah, fucking hell. I was thinking, here we go.
We're going, I think we're going up there. Thank you. Take a look at that.
How's your Monday going?
That random unemployed friend on a Monday. That's not even safe.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh, you've done it more smoothly than I did. Oh, that was pretty smooth.
Fucking hell.
That was squeaky bum time.
Squeaky bum time.
Alright, Bojo, watch out. There you go. There's a rock. It's fucking Koh Tao all over again. We were in Koh Tao jumping off this fucking rock. Pure abseiling up this fucking rock, like about 10 meters in the air. This guy swims there, we're all fucking knackered. He gets on the rope straight away, grabs on, holds on. Instead of going up, he goes to start swinging around the fucking rock. If you would have dropped, you would have smacked your head off a rock and probably died. Can't ride down highways on peds.
Hang on.
I don't think it's on the highway. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's on ped.
That's fine then.
But fucking hell. My phone's just fucking fell off. You alright?
Screen is fine. Little camera's on.
Found the shop. So I reckon pull into the road, yeah. Yeah. We've got a night bus tonight, which is going to take us to, I forgot the name of it. I can't remember going. When I remember, I'll say. But this is literally Ninh Bình Central, like. Hey, getting the hang of it. Let's not get hit by a lorry. That'd be a great idea, Sam. Oh, there you go. Bye.